Hey, where are we going?
Beach box. Beach box.
Where are we going?
Beers. Beach box. Beer. Lots of beer.
Beach box. Beach box. Beach box. Yeah. Hey, where are we going?
We're beach box.
Beach box.
Stella.
Where are we going?
Tita.
I need to speak to Mike Larry.
Yeah, you got my call.
Double A Flex.
Winning lottery numbers coming up.
Here's the crew. Here's the crew.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Waking up.
I know I didn't have coffee this morning, man.
Ain't gonna happen. We're gonna have beer on the way back.
I need coffee. I'm not gonna be able to function.
Okay, coffee then beer.
Yeah, please.
At the end. Do we have
Ah.
Yeah.
This is the crew. We're heading out.
Got quorum.
I don't know.
6 hours.
At 6 hours.
Good enough.
All right, here we go. Traffic jam. Is this Fort Myers? So we just cruised an hour, 15 minutes, Fort Myers Beach. Thank you. And I guess it's a pretty popular area because tráfico mucho. But at least it warmed up. It was a little chilly this morning, so I'll end up taking this vest off and this is gonna go on YouTube. You guys are all good? No one's looking for you, right?
No. I don't think so. There's
All
no
right.
arrest
My wife,
warrants.
maybe.
Yeah.
I arrest those.
I told her I'd do that.
We got issues. Oh, that's a good thing. We got to come from
But Susan mine. This is Beach Box, ladies and gentlemen. I cheat with it, and I get it. Fuck it out for real, yeah. Been in my bag for a minute. I got time today, I might spend it.
How many tellers do we need? 10.
How are the legs? Did you do your FTP test the other day?
Oh, I did. It
What was
hurt.
your number?
Oh, that's private. That's like
I'll beep it out. I'll beep it out. You'll probably tell me more about your sex life, but you won't tell me about your FTP.
That's that's like asking how big is my schlong. You know, that's a personal number.
You're showing your age now. No one says schlong.
Hang on. My schlong and my FTP are both big numbers.
Denise already revealed your biggest secret. You are a fucking dreamer.
I'm gonna make up a number when I edit this. I might even put a size on there too, so don't be surprised.
Hang on, I'm taking this off.
All right, we've been here for 6 hours and we're just now eating. We got fries,
Good quality, organic,
quesadillas,
kosher food.
hot dogs straight out of Chicago.
More hot dogs coming.
Somewhere else.
We just didn't want to eat on empty stomach.
You have to hydrate first, so we're keeping it very light with Corona,
And
Stella Artois. And what else you got over there?
This is piss. Just to chase down the corona.
It's 10 hours later. We're still here. We've been here so long I have the hiccups. I can't tell you the last time I had a hit. Oh, I know what it was. It was the hot dog. I haven't had a hot dog in 10 years.
It's getting dark, people are leaving the beach, but we're still here.
Fuck. All right, maybe I don't put this in the blog.
time to call a cab. We only have 5 miles to go.
Let's make these 5 miles take like 45 minutes.
At least.
Oh, fuck yeah.
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 I don't think we have another choice.
This guy's getting ready to buy a bike, a group set.
3 o'clock. Fuck it.
Fuck it.
Okay, we'll go to Fit and Fuel. They sell
Live
beer.
one.
We can get drinks over there too.
We sell beer.
Yeah, there's something. Yeah, we got the finish.
So you can drink your pain away of spending
Let's go.
4,500.
Go over there.
And they have very good pilsner.
So what are you
You
buying?
guys are gonna buy your drinks.
Yeah, they have very good
Yeah.
pilsner there, actually.
This is definitely making the vlog here. This is big day for my homie here.
Yep, there it is.
He's going all in. It's a good move.
You know they changed the rotors.
You got to come back and get it.
Yeah, what time you said 6?
6.
So I have to, I'm
can
just
come
gonna
back.
buy it and then I'm gonna come back and pick it up.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we made it to another location for more beer, and here's what it looks like. So it's just Victor and I, and we have 2, 4, 6 beers. Let me.
We have a medicine for you.
It's not working.
It's not working.
Oh, we need more,
We'll
okay?
change it. We'll change
No,
it.
no, no. It's a wrong.
30 seconds.
Beans and IPA.
It's not working.
Yeah.
I ate a hot dog.
It may not have been beef.
It may not have been beef. It could have been camel or something. I don't know what it was. But it gave me the hiccups and like heartburns.
I think you have chicken lips.
And I've been belching for the last 2 hours.
The fact I had 10 beers has nothing to do with my birthday.
That's right.
It has nothing to do with the beer. I drink beer all day long.
Exactly.
All day, every
You
day.
still have hiccups?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, Doc.
You know what you gotta do?
What?
You gotta upside down.
Yes.
Here we go.
Yes. Stand in your
Upside
head.
down. Stand on your head.
Hold your breath.
Breathe 5 times. Hold your breath. Then get back up on your feet. Hop on your left leg.
Yes.
Counterclockwise if you're in the northern hemisphere.
Yes.
Clockwise if you're in the
Yes.
southern hemisphere.
yes.
By the time
Alright,
you're
alright,
thinking
alright,
about
alright.
all this shit, it's gonna all be gone 'cause
Yes,
it's all
yeah.
right here.
And how do you do it
But
after
remember,
10 years?
only
It's
5
not all in your
breaths,
head.
Not 6 breaths. Fuck
Hit-
science.
Oh.
Fuck science.
I gotta go. I got on the bike at 8:30 this morning, and I'm still riding. I spent the same amount of time drinking beer than I did riding, and I'm not complaining about it. It's been good fun.
Dangerous.
I don't even know what time it is. but it's dark, and we've been riding since 8:30 a.m. I don't even know what time it is, but it's dark. And we've been riding for a long time, drinking a lot of beer, eating a lot of food.
We still got a 20.9 mile per hour average.
20.9 mile an hour average. And we left our condo at 8:30 this morning, and it's dark. Next one, keep going. That's the wrong place. Look, this guy don't even know where he's going. That's not the place, dude. Yeah, it is pretty manicured out here, so it does all the same. But it's this building over here.